Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today our topic is higher order functions. So a function, when it can be considered as a higher order function. So it can be considered as a higher order function when it takes function as an argument or results a function as an argument, as a result, or if it does the both, then we can consider it as a higher order function. So for example, if we are having a function test1 and let's have a console inside this in test1. So let us say that in function, let's say we are having function test2. Let us say we are having another console in test2. So what if I say that higher order function is a function which accepts function as an argument or it is a function as a result, right? So it is accept a function some x. So let's call that function x here. Now test2, let me pass test1 there. Let's run this now. So test2 is called with test1 as a parameter argument. So first it will print in test2, which is correct, and after that it's calling x, which is nothing but test1. So in test1 is getting printed here. So this is one of the examples. So now test2 is considered as a higher order function. So let me give one more practical example where they are really helpful. So let us say that we are having lengths of the sides of a square. So let us say that we are having an array of 1, let's have a multiples of 10, 20, 30, etc. So now let's calculate area and perimeter of the lengths of the squares. Let's say the function cal perimeter. Let's accept an array. Let's return the result in res. Let's say that. Otherwise, we can say that result. Now, let's iterate over them. Result dot push. We know that how to calculate 4 into side length is nothing but perimeter of the square. Let's return the result. So let's write another function for implementing cal's area. Let's have a array result where we store all the areas. Let me copy this again because we will be having most of the code same. So let's check whether they are working properly or not. Let's have a console perimeter. Now cal's perimeter of error console log cal's area of error. Let's run this now. Console. Yeah, we can see that perimeter and area got printed here. So you can see this, right? So if you cleanly observe these two functions, so we have only one line difference. That is also the formula for calculating perimeter or the area. So we are having repetitive code and it is making it very clumsy and look odd. So how can we reduce this, which improves readability and reusability? Let us see how we can achieve that. So let us say that we are having a function calculate which accepts by a callback function. Let us say that which function you wanted to pass, like area function, perimeter function, which calculate perimeters or area respectively. So let us have the array that is getting passed. Let's store the result array. So let's iterate over the array that we are getting. result dot push. So now let us call that function that we are receiving as a parameter. Error of I, return result. So we have successfully implemented the calculate function, but now we need to pass an array, right? So let's implement that. Const c perimeter, calculating perimeter, nothing but. So it is a function. Let's have an array function which accepts an side length and returns that is multiplied by 4, which is nothing but the perimeter. Let's have the same for the area, but the format will be different. Element asterisk element. So now let us console and check the results, whether how is this working. Perimeter using new function. C perimeter of, calculate is the function, right? And let us pass C perimeter as an argument, and array will be the same, right? Side length. So we copy this. Area, calculate C area, and which will be the same, right? Let me run this now. Unexpected token 52. Sorry, extra bracket here. Sorry, let me remove here also. Sorry. Yeah, you can see the results are same now, but you are making it even more simple and you can reuse this function, right? So we don't have repetitive code here, which reduces the redundancy and it makes much more readable now. The example we have seen here is one of the most practical use case, but higher order functions are used at many places such as map, filter and reduce. These are the methods in the for the arrays, but those are all comes under higher order functions. So try to understand in clear, and if you have any queries, please ping me in the comment section, and thanks for watching.